$5.50. Good morning, everyone. We are heading out from Excalibur to Treasure Island. I'm excited to go to Treasure Island, but things aren't going good with that house. They said the second FHA was denied, so they're going to try to get with another lender and see if they can push through the approval. If not, me and Mom are just down to rent an apartment. I think we just have to rent an apartment. I put a bunch of money into escrow. I do get the money back, so I'll probably just get the money back, rent an apartment for like 6 months, and that's how I'll do it. Luckily, we do have money saved, so you know, we're not like down and out, but it sucks we're staying in a hotel, and Mom's cat's staying in like a little pet motel thing, and that's just as expensive as a hotel. It's like paying $2,500 for both of us to stay. So we got to find something quick. We did find a couple suites. We're going to have to look into those. Maybe they do allow cats. Not sure yet. I know a lot of places won't allow cats. I don't have a clue why, but that's the plan today. Also, I have to meet with the new job and get a P.O. box and probably do some laundry here soon because our laundry is getting kind of dirty. But that's the plan. So I don't know. Other than that, we don't have too much more planned. We do want to do some fun stuff this weekend because we've just been doing business stuff. So we do have some cool stuff that we plan on trying to do this weekend. Other than that, you guys are following along. Thank you all that subscribe to the channel, new ones, old ones. Thank you for commenting on the videos, watching the videos. I appreciate it. Share my videos out, and we will see you on this journey. We are putting the stuff in the car right now. We did a little horse racing, lost 20 bucks on that, no big deal. But we're putting the stuff in the car, getting ready to go meet up with that job, and probably get some coffee somewhere, I imagine. So I went to Einstein Brothers Bagels, $5.50. It's supposed to be large. I don't know what the large is, but man, I should have just went to McDonald's and got a whole nother meal again. But at least I got a coffee that's cold. Mom got the hot thing from Krispy Kreme. She said it tastes terrible. But I mean, what can you do? So we're gonna go downstairs and load the rest of the stuff into our vehicle, and probably start heading out to meet the people of the new job. Got 3/4 of the vlog edited. Just gotta add some music, do some other transitions to it. Vlog's almost done. We're about to check out of Excalibur and head to Treasure Island. I think we're gonna grab some Nathan's hot dog first. Buy one, get one free hot dog. Just something to munch on right now. You seen, we just had Nathan's hot dogs, buy one get one free coupon. 10 bucks for 2 hot dogs, $10 a piece for a foot-long hot dog. The bread was hard on mine. The hot dogs were just average. There wasn't nothing special to them. Mom, what'd you think of the hot dogs?
They were okay, just like regular all beef hot dogs. The buns were dry.
came up to the gas station to grab some drinks before we head to Treasure Island. Made it to Treasure Island. This is where we'll be staying for the next 5 nights. Mom's doing good at driving. She just needs to navigate the GPS just a little bit better, or she can do it by herself, so when she drops me off, she can get back to where we started. But she's doing pretty good. We're here, the garage. Oh man, another big problem. You guys will never believe it. Well, when I booked the room, they waived the resort fee. Well, when they waived the resort fee, no Wi-Fi. So now I got the vlog over there about to be done. Now I need to upload it to YouTube, and I have no Wi-Fi to export it to YouTube. So tomorrow morning I'm probably gonna have to find a Wi-Fi source. I'm gonna go downstairs and see if that Starbucks on the corner has Wi-Fi. It's only takeout, so you can't even sit down and upload, but I can sit on a bench next to it and upload it real quick to YouTube once I get everything done. It's about the end of the night. Me and Mom are gonna go grab some food from Senior Frogs. I have a spend 50, get $25 off. I know I did a bad review. Their food's not really the greatest, but gotta grab something quick and easy real quick. And check it out, guys. We do have a badass view of the strip. It's gonna be kind of hard to see because of the glare of the lights, but you guys can kind of get the gist of what it is looking like out there. Appreciate y'all joining into the videos. We're still gonna do daily vlogs from Las Vegas, Nevada. My life in Las Vegas. I appreciate y'all. You guys are amazing. Subscribe if you're new watching the videos. There's gonna be plenty new vlogs. You guys are gonna follow the journey